Hello everyone. In this video of 11th grade, subject accountancy, today I am going to explain the next topic, users of accounting information or parties interested in accounting information. Since we are preparing accounts for ourselves, for finding out the profit or loss of the year, so is there anybody else who is interested in our accounts? Yes, there are a lot of parties who are interested in our accounts. They are categorized into two parts, internal users and external users. Internal users are those users who are directly related with the organization, who are the internal users of organization, who are internally managing the organization. And external users are those users who are residing outside the organization, who belongs to outside the organization, and they are interested in our accounts. They are within the organization. They are two, owners and management. Owners, those who have invested their money, he is owner. And management are those people who are taking decision, who is managing the work. Owner or management may be the same or may be different. Owners who invested money, maybe the shareholders of the company. Management, board of directors. Shareholders never manage the company, it is always managed by board of directors. So owners and management both are internal users of accounting information. They both are interested in accounts. Why? Because they want to get information about their profit and loss of the year. Owner want to ensure the safety of their capital, whereas management want to check whether they are taking right decisions or not. They are the internal users, owner and management. External users of accounting information. Number one, potential investors. Now, who are the potential investors? Those investors who are having money and they want to invest in the business. They will check our credibility of the company and all the rest of the things, profit and loss, financial position of the company, etc., before investing in our company. They are the potential investors, those who are having potential for investing. They will inquire about the company and then they will take the decision to invest in the company. Creditors are those person who gave us goods on credit. Those institutions which gives finance on credit, they are called financial institutions. But those persons who provide us goods on credit, they are creditors. Creditors also want to know the accounting information. Why? They want to ensure that they can give us goods on credit or not. Their money is safe or not. Likewise, financial institutions, those who have given us money, they will also check our accounts. Their money is safe or not. Employees of the organization, they are also the external users. They will also have an interest in accounting information. If you are earning good, they will ask for bonus, etc. And if you are not earning good, they will search another company. So accounting information is equally important for employees also. Next, tax authorities. For checking you have been given right tax or not, tax authorities will also have an interest in your accounting information. Government. Why government? Government prepares so many policies, 5-year plan, 1-year plan. Every year they are preparing budget for us. On having the accounting information, they will check which type of industry needs more subsidy or etc. and the things. They will decide about the budget and policies on the basis of our accounting information. Then last, competitors. Competitors are always interested. Your friend is also interested in your report card, not in his own. He is interested in your also because of competition. So our business rivals also have interest in accounting informations. So these are the users or parties interested in our accounts, not only us, because we are related and everybody is having interest in our accounts. Next topic for today, advantages or uses of accounting information. What are the main advantages of accounts? Why we are preparing accounts? Because accounts is very much helpful for us. How? Helpful in management of business. Management always have to do planning, take decisions, do controlling. Helpful in planning, decision making and controlling. management takes help for all these functions from accounts. On observing the accounts, they will take decisions, a lot of decisions. They will do planning for future. They will take many decisions. They will control. If we are spending something extra on some other expenses, then they will control that thing. If we are going to earn losses, then they will control that thing. So for management, accounting information is very helpful. Number 2, provide complete and systematic records. Accounting information provides us complete and systematic record of each and every transaction of the business. Then information regarding profit or loss. Obviously, with the help of accounts, we will get only the information regarding profit or loss. No other accounts will be given. Only accounting information will provide us this information. Information regarding financial position. How much sound we are financially or how much weak we are financially. This is given by accounting information. This information is given by accounting information. Enables comparative study. Since how long we are working, suppose for 4 years. First year how much we have earned, second year we have earned, third year, fourth year. We can do comparison on the basis of accounting information. If we are going upwards or going downwards, where we are lacking, where we are gaining. That enables comparative study only with the help of accounting information. Then accounting helpful in assessment of tax liability. How much tax we are liable to pay this year. This is only answerable by accounting information. Evidence in legal matters. If suppose you have any legal matter, you can only spare yourself by providing accounting information. They can work as evidence in your legal matters. Facilitate sale of business. If you want to sell the business, how will you sell it? Obviously, by showing your accounting information, your papers, you will be able to sell the business. And on the other hand, if you want to raise loans, suppose you are going to bank and you want loan, how will you get that? What bank will say? They will say, bring your accounts of 2-3 years, we will check your credibility, then we will give you the required loan. So accounting information is very much useful for us. It's helpful in management of the business, for doing planning, decision making and controlling. It's very useful. For providing complete and systematic records, it's useful. Information regarding profit and loss, it provides information regarding financial position of the business. It helps in enabling the comparative study. It helps in assessment of tax liability. It is helpful as evidence in legal matters and facilitates sale of business and helpful in raising loans. So 2 topics we have covered today. What are the main users or parties interested in accounting information, and another one is what are the main advantages of accounting information, why this accounting information is useful for us. Thank you so much.